Welcome to our video on how to build your own computer. In this tutorial, we will provide you with 10 useful tips to help you assemble your PC from scratch. Let's get started. Tip 1. Planning and budgeting. Before you begin, it's important to plan and establish a budget. Determine the type of computer you need and how much you're willing to spend. This will help you select the right components within your budget. Tip 2. Component research. Research the different components available in the market, such as the processor, graphics card, RAM, and storage. Compare prices and features to make informed decisions. Tip 3. Compatibility. Ensure that the components are compatible with each other. Check the specifications and see if they are compatible with your motherboard. This will prevent compatibility issues later on. Tip 4. Necessary tools. Before starting the assembly, make sure you have the necessary tools such as a screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and tweezers. These tools will help you work safely and efficiently. Tip 5. Mounting the motherboard. Begin by installing the motherboard into the case. Ensure that the mounting holes align and use the provided screws to secure it properly. Connect the front panel cables, such as the power and reset buttons. Tip 6. CPU installation. Carefully install the CPU into the corresponding socket on the motherboard. Ensure proper alignment of the pins and place the heatsink with thermal paste to prevent overheating. Tip 7. RAM and graphics card. Insert the RAM modules into the appropriate slots on the motherboard. Next, place the graphics card into its corresponding slot. Secure it with screws and connect the power cables. Tip 8. Storage and power supply. Install the hard drives or solid-state drives into the storage bays and connect the SATA cables to the motherboard. Then, connect the power supply and ensure that all necessary cables are connected to the motherboard and components. Tip 9. Connections and cable management. Connect the cables for USB ports, audio, and network to the motherboard. Make sure to manage the cables neatly to ensure proper airflow and avoid obstructions. Tip 10. Testing and powering on. Before closing the case, perform an initial test to ensure that all components are functioning correctly. Connect the monitor, keyboard, and mouse, and power on the computer. Verify that the system boots up properly and make any necessary configurations. And there you have it. By following these 10 tips, you'll be able to successfully build your own computer. Remember to always follow specific manufacturer instructions and keep electrostatic safety in mind. Good luck with your build.